up guys, my name's Haven. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do a sunset eyeshadow full makeup tutorial. First we're going to start with our Nars foundation. What you're going to do is put a few drops on your foundation brush and you're just going to pat it all over your face and then blend it. And what you want to do is make sure that you blend it into your hairline and to your neck so you don't appear like you just put on a face. Once you have your foundation all good and nice, next you're going to do concealer. I'm going to be using a Tarte Double Duty Beauty concealer from Ulta Beauty. And what you're going to do is put triangles under both your eyes. And then you're going to put triangle on your forehead. And then put some above and below your eyebrows. And on your nose. A little bit on your lip. Excuse that voice crack. And then on your chin. And a little bit on your jawline. And then you're gonna blend it in. And now we're gonna be using our blending brush. And what you want to do is use a circular formation going towards the outside of your face. This helps blend it more nicely and evenly. Next, we're going to be using our Anastasia translucent powder, and you can use the blending brush you just used. Dab a few, and then do the same circular formation. And be careful because this powder is like super loose, so it's going to get everywhere. And you're just going to keep putting the powder on your face until you don't feel sticky. Or you don't feel like a crayon. Alright, next is going to be contour. I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty Contouring Kit. And I'll be using the Bombshell Bronzer and the Golden Bronzer, which is these two colors. And what you want to do is from the tip of your ear, you're going to angle the brush towards the edge of your lip. Contour our nose, and you're just going to put a little bit down the edges of your nose. If that happens, don't worry, we're about to fix it. Alright, you're going to grab another brush, and using the same Ulta Beauty contouring kit, I'm going to use this Radiant highlighter and just go down the middle of my nose with it. Boom. And now we're gonna also contour our forehead, because I have a big ass forehead. Excuse my language. And the other side. And this really just depends on the shape of your forehead of how to do it. If you have big bones like right here, you're just gonna contour around them so they don't look as bulky. And you're gonna just kind of blend it out. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can use the same brush and kind of blend it with that brush. Alright, next is blush, and I'm going to be using my Be Matte blush, and we're going to be using the color Guava, which is this color. And what you want to do is just put on top of the contouring line that you just did, and kind of blend it in. And then you do the same to the other side. Alright, once you're done with that, next is going to be eyebrows. I'll be using my Profusion Eye Kit, and I'll be using the brunette brow powder. And what you want to do, if you have a eyebrow brush, brush out your eyebrows to the shape that you want them. But if not, just go with it and use the pencil to, or the brush to line your own eyebrow shape out. And you're just going to keep filling in your eyebrow. If you believe you messed up, which I do, grab the brush that you use for your concealer and lightly dab out your mistake. Because everybody makes mistakes. Alright. Next is going to be eyeshadow. I'll be using my Charles Morphe kit. And I'll be using the red, orange, and the yellow. Which is red, orange, and then yellow. First, we're going to start with our red. Goodness. Right. For the red, you're going to put it on the outside of your eye. And you're going to go towards the tip of your eyebrow and kind of go towards that way. And you can make it as high as you want. Just be sure to follow your brow bone. Because if you just keep going up and you're not following your brow bone, it looks weird. Alright, next eye, same thing. And always be sure to look at your other eye to make sure it's looking even. Alright, next is going to be the orange. It should blend pretty nicely with the red, but if it doesn't, just keep using the orange until it starts to blend. And then finally is yellow. I don't like to use a brush for the inner colors because it always messes it up, so I just use my finger. Alright, and once you're done with that, if you want like an under eye color, I recommend the orange and the yellow. So we're gonna do the orange. And kind of bring it out into the other eye. Eyeshadow color. And if you get like loose eyeshadow, don't worry. You can just wipe it off. And if it smears, you can just use your concealer brush here in a second. Alright, and then the same for the yellow. Alright, next is going to be eyeliner. I use both pencil and water eyeliner, but first we're going to do our pencil eyeliner. And you're just going to pencil in your waterline. Or you can do your under eye eyelashes. Your bottom lashes, there we go. Alright. Let me fix this really quick. Alright. I'm going to be using my Maybelline water eyeliner. And you're just going to use the shape of your eye. And you're going to go towards the edge of your eyebrow. And then if you think you need to fix again, just grab that concealer brush. And fix them. Next is going to be mascara. I'm going to be using my Man Eater Tarte mascara from Ulta Beauty. And you're just going to start applying. Once you're done with your mascara, next is going to be highlighter. I'm going to be using my Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. And we're going to put it on our cheekbones. On both sides. Our nose. Tip of our lip. And then our inner corners. And then last but not least is going to be, can't talk, lipstick. And I'm going to be using, this color is BelláPierré Cosmetics. It's the Incognito color. And then once you're done with that, you don't always have to do this step, but I like to. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Matte Mist Spray. And then you're good to go. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please, in the comments down below, let me know what y'all want to learn next.